Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Quick update as of about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Obviously a beautiful summer day today. Temperatures a lot warmer than yesterday. Take a look outside. Easton's Beach in Newport as of 4 o'clock. You can tell by the direction of the flag. We've got the wind off the water, a sea breeze, so it is a little cooler along the coastline. But otherwise, a decent late afternoon right now. Temperatures that topped out in the lower to middle 80s, made it to 84 in Providence, 85 Taunton, before the sea breeze settled in, upper 70s to low 80s along the coastline. So what we're watching, several things. For one, the summertime warmth. I mean, nothing really extreme, but temperatures now through the weekend, easily, at least away from the coastline, will be into the 80s with the warmest weather, borderline hot on Friday with a high temperature near 90 in some locations. It'll cool off a little bit over the weekend, but both Saturday and Sunday should feature temperatures at least lower to middle 80s. In fact, the weekend outlook, it doesn't look like a washout, but we do need to keep an eye to the sky both days for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Overall, it's a cloud-sun mixture, and then dry next week, early next week, with low humidity and comfortable conditions. Satellite and radar composite. You see some clouds mixing with some sunshine. Looks like the radar may have picked up on a couple of tiny blips of green. There might be an isolated shower or sprinkle, but I mean, you can barely see it. So bottom line, we're mainly dry here. As we widen out the view, you see a line of storms in upstate New York and Pennsylvania. This will actually approach western New England late this afternoon and into our area by early this evening. However, I do expect them to dissipate. So we'll keep this evening dry. If you have any outdoor plans, early evening, weather stays dry. You see another complex of storms across the Central Plains, not a factor in our forecast. So getting real close here, and we'll walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock. You see the arrows coming in off the ocean. That's the sea breeze. Humidity is high, so this light gray that you see, eventually some low clouds and fog are going to take over later on this evening and during the overnight. So that's what that shade of gray is. So late at night, early tomorrow morning, especially southeast Mass, the Cape, the islands, and along the south shore, a little bit of fog. That's going to burn off rapidly to at least partly sunny skies. And notice by mid-afternoon, we are well into the 80s. So it's kind of at least mid-80s across inland areas and upper 70s along the coastline. Any fog at the beaches early in the morning should be burning off. And then by tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, of course, the sun is still up. Temperatures are still warm with a cloud-sun mixture and looking good for later tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. For this evening, clouds increasing. Some sunshine early this evening. Sunset at 8:24. By 11 o'clock, we'll watch for some coastal fog. Temps in the upper 60s. Tomorrow morning, any fog along the coastline at daybreak will be burning off. Sunshine and warm. Be upper 60s to low 70s early. Rapid warm up in the afternoon with a mix of clouds and sunshine, looking at lower to middle 80s for the daytime high. And that trend of warm weather will extend through Friday and Saturday, and just a smidge cooler on Sunday. So, looking good next couple of days. No big weather issues other than finally some warmer temperatures. And we'll keep an eye on the weekend. We'll try to nail down the timing, but right now we're leaning more towards afternoon and evening, both Saturday and Sunday, as far as any isolated thunderstorms. We don't think it's a washout where it's just raining nonstop, but the chance for scattered activity is there. So that's the latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. And again, my updated forecast not too far away from now, starting at 5 o'clock on Eyewitness News. Hope to see you then. In the meantime, have a nice day.